Then az-zikr, I told you last evening, remembrance, reminding, because the basic philosophy of the Quran is that the cognition of Allah, ma'rifah, and love of Allah, both these are inherent in human souls. Every human being knows Allah, loves Allah. This is inherent in his soul, in his spirit, because the spirit comes from Allah. يَسَأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الرُّوحِ قُلِ الرُّوحُ مِنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّي. The only difficulty is that we are so much engrossed in this world, so much busy, occupied, that we never look to our hearts. We never try to hear the testimony of our souls emerging from the depths of our souls and hearts. What Quran does, it actually exhorts us and makes it easy for us to remember, to be mindful of what is there in your very nature. So that is the meaning of zikr.